Hello everyone, this is Trikula. I wanted to thank Mr. Balaji and ma'am for giving me the opportunity to talk to you all today. I hope you all having a great time. I used to be one of the students of Kimberley too. I must say I had a beautiful time when I was studying in Kimberley. Teachers were very helpful and they helped me a lot in what I wanted to do and things like that. At the moment, what I recommend you all to do is do what you love to do. Basically, if you love extracurricular activities, do also participate in them. Just not only studies, you also have to focus on something that you really want to be. For example, if someone wants to be a social worker, you have to work on those lines. If you want to be a cricketer, try to work on those lines. If you want to be a singer, try to cope up with that. So whatever your passions are, don't leave your passions, because your passions are what you are. That is what I truly believe. And being in Kimberley, I always had an opportunity to do what I wanted to do. I've always been encouraged by the staff and the management of Kimberley. I thank each and everyone who supported me during my school time. And right now I'm running a service organization called Global Support Organization. We are working on 4 segments called elderly, women, children and physically challenged. So basically we do welfare programs for them. And currently I am supposed to be with you all today, but unfortunately I had to work on the national campaign. So I have come to Vizag right now to work on women empowerment projects. Currently our prime projects that we are doing right now is self-defense for women. We want government to make self-defense as a right for every girl child and every woman living in India. The second campaign is basically we want student social responsibility to be included in syllabus as a practical subject. And lastly, we want first aid to be as a practical training subject for students from all these 3 courses we want from schools to the university level, so that the future of our generations to come in India will be strong and good. This is our motto of the Global Support Organization. So the 3 campaigns that I've just discussed, these are the campaigns that I'm currently running here and there for. I hope you all will support. I hope you all, your families will support these causes. At least one suggestion I would like to give to children is basically your friends, your family, your teachers are there for you to share your problems. So whatever problems you are facing, do not keep them to yourselves. Try to share your problems with your teachers, your friends, your family. They're all there to support you. Or even if you want to call me for any kind of support you need, please contact me. If anybody is misbehaving with you, if anybody is threatening you, or if you're having problems with your studies or anything like that, kindly contact us. We will be more than happy to help you. At the same way, I'm sure Kimberley management and Kimberley staffs will be quite supportive to listen to whatever problems you're having. We are all there to help you. So be as open as possible so that you will have less number of problems. Because the more support we have from people, the more better we will progress. I sincerely thank Mr. Balaji and Madam for giving me the opportunity to share my views with you all. If you would like to be part of Global Support Organization, or if you have any queries or anything, kindly contact me. My contact number is 84660-45484. My email address is tchenna@gsoworld.org. So tchenna is TCHENNA@gsoworld.org. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.